bearing of A and B from C are 30 and 300 respectively. If find the ratio of the sides of a triangle formed by these 3 points if A is east of B. Okay, A is east of B. So I'm saying that this is my, meaning they must lie on the same. So meaning that here is A, east of B. So this is B. The east is here. A is east of B. So, and our C should be here because they said the bearing is 30 and 300. So this is my C. So they said from here to here, so here is 30 degrees. So, and they said here to here is 300. So here should be 30. Because from here to here is 270. The total here is 270. So here is 270. So 270 plus 30. So meaning that here should be 60. So meaning we'll have a right angle triangle here. And the side, if you remember this, okay, here is 90. Alternate angle theorem. So this should be, remember, this is 30. Why here is 60? Because here is 30, so here is 60. So alternate angle theory on here is 30. So here should be 60. So we have a right angle triangle of the size 30, 60, of the angles 30, 60, 90. And from our 30, 60 triangle theorem, that's what we call 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem. So it says that the ratio of any side, the ratio of any 30, 60, 90 triangle is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Meaning if here is the shortest side, the longer side is x root 3, while the longest side is 2x. So the one facing 30, assuming here is x, here is x root 3, and here is 2x. That's what I'm saying. The ratio is just this, the answer, because that will have 30, 60, 90 triangle. So the ratio of the sides is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. That's the answer. So it's a very tricky question. It said a plane flies x kilometers on a bearing of 30. Due east from, okay, let's just cut it here. A plane flies x kilometers on a bearing of 30 degrees from A to B and then flies x kilometers due east from B to C. What is the bearing of A from C? So they said x kilometers on a bearing from A to B. So this is my A. On a bearing of that, okay, 30. So from here to here is, so this is B. So my B is, so they said from here to here is 30. So, and they said B then flies x kilometers. Remember this is x. X kilometers due is from B to C. So B to C on the same line. So we have our C here. So let's complete the triangle. We have to find the bearing of A from C. from C. So from C, we are looking for this. So, but before then, we need to get some values. Here, common sense will tell us this is 90 degrees. This angle 90, and here is 30. Here should be 30. So what we have is 30 plus 90 is 120. So the angle here is 120. So we need to get, remember, they said x kilometer, and the same thing here is x. So what do you have to do? What do you notice? Here is base angles are the same, isosceles triangle. So here should be 30, 30. So, and if here is 30, what is remaining here? This 30 here should be 60. And this is 180. So the bearing is 60 plus 180. So the answer is 240. Bearing of A from C is 240. Since here is 30, here is 60, here should be. So that the answer is 240. A plane flies x kilometer on a bearing of 30 from A to B, and then flies x kilometer due east from B to, and we ask what is the bearing of C from A and the distance from A to C. So we'll draw the diagram. So we say the bearing of from A to B, from A. So here is A, and they said the bearing is 30. So okay, from here to here is 30. So I'm saying that here is 30 degrees, and this is our B. They say then he flies, remember this x kilometer, he flies due east from B to C. So from B to C again, on the same line, this is our C. So let's join. So we are asked to find the bearing of C from A. So C, we are looking for So we are looking for from here to here. So we need to get this angle. So whatever that we get, if we call this small angle theta, so theta plus 30 is this bearing, the bearing of C from A. So let's continue. Since here is 30, here should be 30 by alternate angle theorem. This is a transversal, so that's, and this is 90 degrees. So we have 120 here. This is 120 degrees. And since, remember, the distance are the same, distance, so here is x. So whatever that is here must be the same, which is 30. So here is also 30 degrees. Since this is xx, the base angles are the same. So here should be 30. So the bearing, therefore, the bearing of C from A is 30 plus 30. That's this 30 plus 30, which is 60. So they now ask us the distance from A to C. So you don't need to waste time here. There's what we call 30-30 triangle theorem. We call it 30-30-120 triangle theorem. That the ratio of the sides of any 30-30-120 triangle is 1:1:3. It's a powerful theorem. Meaning that if here is x, here is x, whatever that is here must be x root 3. That's for the ratio to be 1:1:3. So whatever that is here must be x times root 3. So our answer, the distance is x times root 3.